Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media, back at Anfield for another update on the pitch preparations. Is all the grass down? We're going to find out. I think last year it took around 2 days to lay all the grass, so I just want to thank you all for incredible support. We're going to check also on the seat preparations on the main stand. Now all the seating is getting returned back to the rightful colour of being red. So yeah, there's a lot to see in this video. Today I'm bringing you two special videos because after I finish filming here we're going to go and visit the halfway house where the second Jota mural is currently being painted, and at the end of this video we're going to visit the Forever 20 mural. Just a short flight because we're going by drone first, just to show you how close it is, just over there. There's a lot to come on GreyBeard Media today to do with the pitch preparations, the seats, and of course Diogo Jota's two murals. I know Murals is doing this one, the Forever 21. He knows me pretty well and I know him really well as well because I covered in stages the Virgil van Dijk mural he painted and it was very popular. I did it in stages, so he knows who I am and he's a fantastic artist. So without further ado, let's get the drone up. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. See you up there. And welcome back everyone, we are airborne. I climb a little bit higher. I do believe most of the pitch, the grass is down, so beautiful sunny day, we'll fly over. Have a look at the pitch the champions are going to be playing on.
Max altitude reached.
Absolutely stunning, isn't it? Still a tractor near the top end by the cop. Beautiful. It'll take a few weeks to grow together, all the strips of grass, and the linesman will be doing this, not the linesman, the groundsman will be doing this thing very soon on cutting it, getting the stripes, the different shades onto the pitch. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Let's have a look on the seating situation and how far along we are. Still a lot to be done there yet, isn't there? I mean, I'm just trying to have a look. Right at the bottom of the main stand, I can see red. Now it's got spare seats, because one of the viewers said the backs are getting replaced. And when I did mention about the blowtorch technique on the seats, that is a very, very quick solution that will not last very long at all. They will soon fade again. I'll try and explain it the best I can. When you do the blowtorch technique on the seats, when the heat of this chair gets to a certain temperature, the oils in the plastic will start rising to the surface, and that is how the colour returns. But like I said, that's only a very quick solution. The fading will pretty much happen within a season after that. So if they are replacing the seats, even better, because as you see the shade from there, you're going from red pretty much to white. So there's a lot to be done yet on the main stand if they are going to be doing all the seats, which hopefully they are. So now all the grass is pretty much down. I just want to say it's good to see CP Overview back in these parts doing the video, so I certainly have missed seeing him. Yeah, I'm made up about the pitches down, and let's hope the champions can defend their title on it, you know. I've got the shadow, so I can't exactly see the seats on the SKD stand side. I know the three middle sections I commented on earlier. Hopefully something will be done there, like I mentioned. The next thing to look out for is saying goodbye to the Nike, and then saying hello to the Adidas. I think we all want to cover that. I know me and Craig TV1 want to cover that. Just trying to find out what day actually happens, and I think it's going to go inside of the launch of the Adidas range in the new club store. That'll probably happen at exactly the same time when Nike's time is over. So we'll await the groundsman. Probably in say quite a few days' time, really, to start putting the lines on and everything. It's got to give the pitch time to gel. So now we're going to turn our attention to Diogo Jota's Forever 20 mural, the community part of it, where the fans, max altitude reached, the supporters, the fans, go and leave a message on a brick. I believe the whole wall was filled yesterday, and I had 2 messages still to write today, which I don't think there's going to be any space left, unfortunately. This is the only time I could have got out after Wednesday, when I was here Wednesday, Wednesday midday. I received the messages late Wednesday. I was going to put them on today, and the wall is pretty much full, so I think there's going to be nothing I can do. But I'll show you the best way to get to the Forever 20 mural of Diogo Jota. So if you just fly, well, I'm going to be flying, but if you're coming to Anfield, you just go down this road here. Very short flight. I'm going to start dropping the drone down a bit now. Concentrate on this house there. I'll turn. A little bit more. Drop down more. You see a few supporters there. I believe murals is going to be starting this next week. I'll try and cover it as best I can. And there in big letters it says Forever 20. And Diogo Jota's mural, his face, the image that gets chosen will be there, and it's going to look absolutely bliss. It's going to look beautiful. All the supporters have done their little tributes on the wall. So join me down there. Now back on the ground, standing by Sybil Road. There's no bricks left. There's still spaces in between the bricks. If you want to come down and write your message. Michael Dunstan, I've written your message. That is for you. I did find a space to write your message. Obviously all the bricks are already taken, but I have to start writing in between the bricks. So here's your message. Rest in peace, Diogo Jota, Andre Silva, both great players, will be sadly missed. You'll never walk alone, and your initials at the end, MD. And this is just an amazing piece of work. believe the top part of the Diego Jota mural is beginning next week. I'm going to be covering that the same kind of way I covered the Virgil van Dijk mural. That's how close we are to the main stand. Not much of a walk, so hope you enjoyed that video. Bit of a pitch update. All the grass is pretty much down now, so the groundsman will give it a little bit of time to grow, gel together, and then he'll start doing his magic with the mowers, him and his team. You know, thousands upon thousands upon thousands this grass has cost to be grown and then driven all the way to Anfield by the wagons. It's a massive operation, you know, massive. But money buys quality, and Anfield will always have a world-class pitch, a pitch worthy for the champions of Liverpool Football Club to play on. Hopefully we can defend the title. So in the second video today we're going to head over to the second place where Diego Jota's second mural will be, at the halfway house just off Walton Road. I'm going to head over there now and start filming. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Hopefully I'll catch you over there in the second video today. Bye for now. Thank you for all your support.